The Ford Bronco Raptor is the ultimate off-road performance SUV, engineered by Ford Performance to conquer the toughest terrains with desert-running speed and extreme rock-crawling capability. Unveiled in 2022, the Bronco Raptor takes inspiration from the Baja 1000 race trucks, blending rugged durability with cutting-edge technology. At its heart, the Bronco Raptor is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, producing 418 horsepower and 440 foot-pounds of torque. This power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission, optimized for off-road performance and high-speed stability. The chassis is significantly reinforced, featuring a fully boxed high-strength steel frame for enhanced durability. The suspension system is upgraded with Fox Live Valve 3.1 internal bypass semi-active dampers, offering massive wheel travel for extreme terrain capability. The front and rear axles are widened, increasing the track width by 8.6 inches over the standard Bronco, while the Haas 4.0 suspension system ensures superior handling on rough trails. The Bronco Raptor rides on massive 37-inch BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, providing exceptional grip and off-road durability. Brembo high-performance brakes ensure strong and precise stopping power under extreme conditions. The exterior design is aggressively styled, featuring wide fender flares, heavy-duty steel bumpers, integrated tow hooks, and a functional hood vent for improved cooling and aerodynamics. Inside, the Bronco Raptor's interior blends off-road functionality with modern tech, featuring marine-grade vinyl upholstery, rubberized flooring, a 12-inch digital cluster, and the Sync 4 infotainment system. Reinforced bolstered seats and Raptor-exclusive badging further enhance the race-ready feel. With unmatched off-road capabilities, extreme durability, and high-speed desert-running prowess, the Ford Bronco Raptor is a true beast built for adventurers who demand the highest level of performance in an off-road SUV. What car would you like to hear about? If you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, follow and share.